Hello everyone, welcome to Sahoo Textile Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about some important topics of dyed synthetic process. In today's video, we have CK Porwal sir, President and Business Head of GIS Cotton Mill. Sir, welcome to Sahoo Textile Academy.
Okay, thank you for calling us.
So, sir has over 44 years of experience in textile sector, working in major group like CTM, RSWM, and Orient Syntex, Hind Spinner. And sir, first of all, I would like to ask you to share your experience, overall experience in textile sector to our viewers.
Actually, Mr. Sahu, we had started our career after passing out my BSc and BTech from GCTI Kanpur in 1981. We had started our career in RSWM Gulapura, where we had learnt us a very good professionalism from the that RSWM units. That was the very good and number one plant at that time in northern India. After that, I had switched over to Birla Group, Chenab Textile. We had dyed yarn and dyed fibers, polyester viscose as well as cotton. We had uh, run, and at that junior stage, I was learnt too much things from these two units, and after that, I had switched over to Orient Syntex Yavatmal. That plant was also PB, producing PB, dyed and fancy yarn, and producing very good yarn for the Raymond as well as the export. At that time, he was awarded Export House Award. That unit was under expansion. So in that unit, I had worked on autoconers also. On those days, autoconers was the new technology. So we had the uh, first uh, first time see that autoconer, and learnt too much. After that, I had gone to Centogen spinning mill, and that Centogen spinning mill was under construction. So from erection to producing the yarn, I had uh, contributed too much, and 100% polyester as well as dyed polyester, dope dyed polyester was run with a tube feed line. That was the uh, that was the time where the tube feed line was having a very few mills, and very good auto leveler experience was got from that unit, and the unit we had run that unit very majestically. Then I had gone to Orient Syntax Yavatmal. Sorry, that I had after that I had gone to Jagriti Synthetics, where we had erected and commissioned 12,000 spindle independently, and I was given as a career in that unit as a CEO. Then I had gone to the Hind Spinners, the Pilukhadi near Bhopal, where I had got a chance to expand that unit. 12,000 spindles was expanded, and I had worked in erection, commissioning, and running the mill for about 6 years. After that, I had gone to Jagrati Synthetics, where we had worked, and again got a chance to install a 12,000 spindle. After that, we had gone to um, Damodar yarn, where we had worked as a general manager to produce fancy yarn as well as synthetic yarn, synthetic PB, and different type of dyed yarn. After that, I had gone to Chamunda Standard Mills, where this mill was a composite unit, and we had worked from uh, start to finish. All areas was under my control, and I had worked also on the weaving unit, finishing unit. S. Kumar is the owner of that unit, so that was the very good experience regarding the fabric also. Then I had gone to Calcutta in Annapurna, Sri Annapurna Cotton Mills, where cotton, PB, melange, and acrylic was in spinning. Though it was a very old mill, but the experience was very good, and I had worked very good, and I have gained too much experience regarding the labor problems and union tackling also, because Bengal is famous for the unions. So I have a good, got a very good experience to negotiate the unions and work with them. But my experience was very good. All the union has praised our working, and there I have worked for 6 months. Then again I had gone to Madhya Pradesh, and Purohit spinning mill of 30,000 spindles. We had started from building construction to erection commissioning, and run that mill for 6 years. Our experience was always with complete project, not just erect the project or commission the project and switch on to any other places. I am always dedicated to the mill, and I had not only erection commission, but also why I had run that mill with a good profitability in uh, all the areas. And after Santojan, after Purohit spinning mills, I had come to this GIS Cotton Mills. It was a multinational company, uh, Gilender and Arbuthnot Company Limited, and presently I am working as a president president and business head. So I'm enjoying this Calcutta atmosphere with again so many unions, so many type of law, so many people, and Ganga Maya is our Ganga Maya is blessing us. So this is the very good experience of my textile journey.
Okay, sir. So my first question is, sir, what is the difference between dope dyed and on dyed polyester? And why do mill owners particularly prefer high percentage of on dyed fiber in their process, in mixing process?
Actually, dope dyed process is a dyeing process, and dyed polyester is a additionally dyed polyester at mill premises or a dye house. The dope dyed polyester is a very smooth, while wound dyed polyester is not so good. But in point of view color, different colors are required for the different shades of the yarn. In that case, that much quantity is not available in dope dye. So we will have to dye at our own place, or there is some constant that you will have to purchase in a higher quantity of the polyester for the same same shade. In that condition, it is better to dye your own plant or some dye house as per your requirement. The main reason is that the quantity availability is better in our own dyed polyester instead of dope dyed polyester. So mainly all mill technician as well as mill owner always prefer to his own dyed polyester. But in few shades like black, coffee, navy blue, these shades are available in the market very frequently, and most of the people this dope dyed polyester in these shades are using from dope dyed polyester, and rest of the shades which are not available, or you will have to ask to the concerning fiber producing unit to dye for yourself. But your required quantity is not depend upon your order. You will have to order for full bulk. That's why it is better to dye your own dye house. This is the main reason the people are preferring own dyed polyester.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is why depositions occurs in the process of wound dyeing polyester, and how we can resolve this issue to ensure smooth working in process.
Actually, in dye house, there is a process of reduction clearing. After dyeing, the reduction clearing process has been done in dye house. The reduction clearing process is nothing but the removal of the adhering particle, dye particle from the fiber. During dyeing process, the penetration of the dye particle was taking place. So all the dye particle could not get penetration inside the fiber or between the fibrils, which make a dyed polyester. These adhering particle to be removed properly. If these adhering particle will not be removed, that is the reduction clearing process is not proper. In that case, it will create so many problems in the spinning process. We will have to take proper finish, proper moisture, as well as proper setting of the card to overcome these problems.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, sir, what is the recommended cut length of fiber for achieving the best quality?
Actually, the industry will always prefer 44 mm fiber if it will spun 100% polyester or PB, polyester viscose. Or in case of PC, people preferring 38 mm length or 32 length as per their requirement. For the carded cotton and polyester, 32 is better. For combed cotton, 38 is better. And for the PB, 44 is better. So these are the cut length which we can prefer according to our requirement or according to end use of the yarn or other needs.
Okay, sir. Sir, so do you think that RH plant is necessary for dyed synthetic process?
Yes, RS planted very necessary to work properly. Otherwise, spinning process will hamper, and the lapping tendency increase too much. As you everyone knows that the electrostatic charge developed in the polyester was higher in comparison to other fiber. To neutralize these electrostatic charge, some moist atmosphere will be there. Otherwise, this ESI generation will create too much lapping at all stages, and this lapping will create a quality issue as well as productivity issue. That's why the atmosphere condition to be maintained. and without H plant, it is not possible to maintain these atmospheric condition to suit our spinning process.
Okay, sir. Sir, so my next question is, sir, what is half-leaf strength and why it is so important in setting up synthetic process?
Actually, half strength is the robbing strength. We always check the robbing strength. To spin the yarn, robbing will go from speed frame or simplex frame and reach to the ring frame. During spinning, if strength is not sufficient, then thin and thick places will increase and working will not be proper as per our requirement. If the twist is higher, in that case, the least strength will be too much and the breaking of the lee during the application of the brake draft, it is not possible. So the undrafted will be there. The again working issue will be there in ring frame. So to maintain the proper working, we will have to maintain proper twist in robbing, and that twist will decided by the halfly strength of the robbing.
Okay.
So it is a very important factor. If anyone can maintain its proper halfly strength, then these issues will not be arised, and the quality as well as the working both will remain very good in ring frame.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is, sir, what is GSM of fabric and how does it affect the costing of fabric?
Actually, GSM is nothing but we can elaborate GSM gram per square meter mass. Always yarn will be purchased on the basis of the kilo, and fabric will be sold on the basis of the meter. So per square meter weight, GSM nothing but the per square meter weight. So the costing of any fabric will be decided mainly by the yarn used, and the yarn used means yarn weight. That is that is GSM. On the basis of GSM, anyone can decide its price, manufacturing cost, yarn purchase cost. So the manufacturer, fabric manufacturer, will always decide his costing on the basis of GSM, labor, wages, electricity, loom, weight or GSM. On the basis of the yarn weight, he will decide his costing.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, sir, can you suggest an action plan to reduce NEPs during carding process?
Actually, it will depend upon the cards, which cards you are using, and the material processed. Everyone needs a very good IPI, or IPI is nothing but the thin, thick, and NEPs combined factor of combined number are called the IPI. Imperfection per thousand meter or per 100 meter, whatever the requirement asked by the uh, purchaser. We will have to reduce only at one place naps. Naps will be reduced only one place, and that is card. We always say that carding is the heart of the spinning, and to reduce these naps, you will have to decide beater speed, liquor speed, flat speed, cylinder speed, as well as dopper RPM, along with web web hang or sliver hang, you can say. So to control these naps, we will have to decide these all factors to reduce our naps, as well as in the latest card, C cleaner from front side as well as back side uh, play a very important role, and their gauges are also very important to reduce the naps. Cylinder and flat gauge, yani gauge between flat and cylinder is also very important to reduce these naps. Flat speed again play the extra role to reduce these naps. So for the better quality, we will have to take an extra precaution on these points, and we are able to provide a good yarn with a minimum naps.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, sir, is YCP required in polyester yarn production?
YCP is always used for the yarn quality. If you do your YCP, the main function of the YCP to make the cylindrical yarn. After getting the moisture, every yarn will become the cylindrical, and cylindrical yarn will always will give the better result for the weavers. Weaving will be always smooth. Instead of not doing this YCP, the yarn surface will not be very good. It will always create a too much fly during weaving or winding. So the moisture is necessary for polyester yarn also, though it is not giving a good moisture content uh, because of the polyester quality, polyester nature. The polyester not get absorb more than 0.85% moisture. Even then, dry polyester will not only give the harm to the weavers, create again electrostatic charges, as well as harm to the spinner also, because the dry polyester does not contain much moisture quantity, and by weight it will be in loss. In weaving stage, it will also give the higher fly. So, as per my view, BICP is must for polyester, PB, acrylic, or PC, and acrylic polyester yarns.
Okay, sir. Sir, so what are the most common type of market problem you have faced and how have you tackled it?
Mainly in knitting yarn, some needle breaks and working problem sometime arises, and it is due to the higher naps or bigger naps or thin thick higher or weak yarn. And these problems can be overcome with proper setting of the EYC gauges at our auto corner stage, as well as IPI to be minimum at the ring stage, with better quality of the carded sliver, good quality of the roving, always produce a good quality of yarn, and that yarn will always be better processed in, during auto corner stage. So there is a, but in case of dyeing, sometime some shade matching problems also arise. Some contamination problems may be there, but these latest gauges, these problems can be eliminated from the auto corner and EYC gauges. So there is no such problems. We are supplying our yarn topmost of the users or topmost of the manufacturer of the Calcutta city at present. And from last 1 year, I had not faced any serious problem regarding these things. Everyone was very happy with our year.
Okay, sir. Sir, for PC blend used in Citra yarn, what type of polyester is best suited for achieving high quality?
Combed cotton and 1.2 denier polyester with 38 or 32 38 polyester fiber. With combed cotton, it is better. It will give the better results.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you share some tips related to power saving in spinning during process?
We can reduce our power consumption with the help of awareness of the everyone people. Power saved is the power generated. This is the formula. So everyone should be economical to use the power, not only in case of machinery, but also in case of offices and other areas where we are using lighting power, heating power, and other humidification power. These are areas to be controlled, and proper use of these items, additive items or helping items like RH plants, uh, lighting, other air producing areas, compressor. These are the areas where we can save the power. Moreover, inverter use and other power saving devices to be used. Some timers will be used in overhead. Some every supply fan and return fan will equipped with timers, and these two will be regulated time to time as per our requirement. These are the areas where we can reduce our power consumption. And nowadays, power is the main constituent of the yarn cost after raw material. So the economy of the mill will definitely depend upon the power consumption. Everyone should be well aware regarding the saving of the power. Thus, our good awareness and better technology with the well equipments, we can save a lot of power in our industry.
Okay, sir. So this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then do drop a like and consider subscribing to Sahoo Textile Academy for more such videos in future. So sir, once again, thank you so much for joining us today. And
Thank you, Sauji, South Textile, for calling us. I'm very hopeful that South Textile will give the good informations to every technicians. This is the very backend area of the textile that nobody was giving us such good and quality videos and informations. You are doing a very good job, and I hope, as well as I pray to God, that you will give the much better in this area. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir.